and welcome to Berwick Mitsubishi. My name's Wayne. I'm going to give you a full walk around tour of our awesome 2016 PX Mark II XLT Ford Ranger. This car has been optioned up and will impress. There's so many Rangers out there, it's hard to find the right one, but by the time we finish with this video, I'm sure you will feel this is going to be the right car for you to own. Starting at the front, we have our replacement Bullbar. It is an X-Rocks Bullbar with winch compatibility. Has got the winch on there, 9,500 pound winch, and it's also got the loop bar across the top with 3 driving light mounts up here as well. Does have the replacement Ford grille, giving it that nice black look against the Bullbar there as well. The Bullbar itself is in excellent condition with no dents or any major scratching. No evidence there it's had a hard time, and they've done a really good job with the fitment too. All the gap lines are pretty much even. Got the nice protective strip here as well. Paintwork all through the front is in excellent condition, and the car has been fitted with these black 16-inch alloys with all-terrain tyres, which are near new. Stacks of tread on all those tyres all the way around. Looking down the driver's side of the car at the condition, as you can see, it is pretty much spotless. There's no paint blemishes to speak of. The car has been fitted with tinted windows. Nice contrast against the white paintwork there, and definitely something I do on all of my cars anyway. XLT does have the chrome door handles. And again, this rear alloy wheel, excellent condition, no scratches of any kind, and again, pretty much a brand new tyre. And now we get to this big custom steel tray. Been fitted with 2 really big toolboxes. As you can see here, gas struts lift the doors right up out of the way. And in underneath here, there is another slide out tray box underneath here as well, so it doubles up your storage really, really well. It is a drop side steel tray. And again, these are all lockable here as well. Tray itself is in excellent condition. Does have under tray side boxes here as well. And then moving around to the back, you'll see it's got those nice bright custom LED tail lights. Got plenty of room through the middle of the tray, as well as these front and rear ladder racks with these good tie down points at the top there as well. So certainly going to be suitable for any of your commercial needs. Has got the square hitch tow bar as well, and these are rated to 3,500 towing capacity as well. So it's going to do what you need commercially as well as towing. Another underside toolbox here as well, and this alloy wheel again, no marks on that, near new tyre. And the boxes themselves in that nice powder coat of black suit that whole white and black contrast of the vehicle really nicely. It does stand out against the competition. And also again, paintwork down this side. Again guys, it is a commercial vehicle, but the previous owners definitely looked after it, and I'd say you're going to be hard pressed to find a late 2016 with these Ks in this good a condition that I could see. Now, under the bonnet, we're going to find one of Ford's best ever engines built. 3.2 litre, 5-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Everybody loves these. Impressive power output of 147 kilowatts, and more important is 470 newton meters of torque. Again, making this a towing dream. Everybody goes for them because they've got that down low grunt, get you off the line, but then they've got that high end power to keep you moving. Does have an 80 litre fuel tank and made it to a 6-speed automatic transmission. Average of roughly 9 litres out of the factory. Might use a little bit more because of the weight on that tray, but again, towing capacity rated at 3,500 kilos, and this is already fitted with a Redarc electronic brake controller, meaning it's set up and ready to go for any of your towing requirements, and you've got that world's best 3.2 litre engine in there as well. Alright, sitting inside the Ranger now, the first thing to really note, which is going to be hard to portray in the video, but the comfort. The seats are in the right position, they're super supportive with the side bolsters, and everything you need is right at your fingertips. Ford have done a great job in designing the Ford Ranger to make your daily requirements easy. So on the driver's door card here, we've got full electrics, got your window lock to stop the kids in the back from playing with them. You've got your auto down, auto up on the driver's window, and you've got your central locking up here to the right hand side on the door as well. Over here we've got our headlight controls. It does have automatic headlights as well as your fog light controls and your interior illumination. And you've got your 2 factory flip keys here, which is good to note because not all second-hand left-hand cars are going to come with both. On the right-hand stalker, you've got your indicators and headlight controls, as well as the button on the end here, which is your lane departure warning control, and then you have your wiper controls here on the left-hand side. It is a leather-bound steering wheel, all in excellent condition. Minor tiny bit of wear on the top, but nothing really worth noting. Over here we've got our cruise control, we've got our menu controls here, which is for the colour LED screens on here, and then on this side we've got our stereo controls as well as our Bluetooth pickup hang-up buttons, and this one here is for the left-hand LED screen there, which will show you things like your entertainment, your navigation, and also your Bluetooth phone controls. And again, you'll see really easy to read dash layout there, white illuminated speedo in the middle, and then your colour tacos either side with a lot of information in there. In through the middle here, you've got Ford's sync system. Now this is really good in terms of everything is easy at the touch of your fingers. You've got your climate control, that's all touchscreen, or you can use these buttons down a bit lower depending on if you're on a navigation screen. You've got your phone controls once a phone is actually paired up, and then you've also got your navigation, which is all super easy to use. And on top of that, we have our reverse camera there as well. Down through here, we've got twin 12-volt power outlets, as well as 2 USB inputs down there, and a large storage compartment at the front of the gear stick area there as well. We've got our rear parking sensors on off button there. You've got downhill descent control for when you are full driving with the rear diff lock, and you've also got your ESP stability control, again really only required to turn off during those heavy off-roading adventures. And then we've got our full drive controls here, from 2 high into 4 high, and then into 4 low for the more serious off-roading. And this is the Redarc Tow-Pro Elite brake controller. So this is really easy to use. Literally just once it's plugged in, this will illuminate, and you just turn the dial up or down as to how much braking you require on the trailer or van behind you. Gear stick, really easy to use. Again, 6-speed auto transmission, straight down here into drive, or you can flick it across to the right and that puts it into a sport transmission. Tiptronic, you can flick the gears up or down. Great for when you are towing or looking to overtake someone. Got twin cup holders here in the middle next to the handbrake handle. Again, no real blemishes in that center console area, guys. Definitely been well looked after by the previous owner. And a decent size center console here with a cool box in there, which means the aircon will flow through and assist in keeping those drinks cold while you're on the road. Rest of the interior, again, nice dark and light grey contrast colour. Seating all in excellent condition, no major wear or blemishes on the seats. The carpets are all in excellent condition throughout as well. Again, trying to get some of the back here. The interior, again, it's just been kept really well. It does have ISOFIX points if you do have children that you need car seats to be fitted there as well, and also fitted with your standardised safety features now with dual front airbags, curtain airbags, and side impact airbags as well. Okay, there you have it, guys, our walk around tour of our 2016 PX Mark II Ranger XLT. I hope I've answered any questions you might have had about the condition and quality of the vehicle. A couple of other things to note: being a 2016, it will be out of Ford's new car warranty. The important thing is, looking at a dealership like Berwick Mitsubishi, we have the ability to protect your investment a couple of different ways. Number one, with a mechanical protection plan. This is a 5-year plan that gives you cover up to 200,000 kilometres on the clock, $3,600 per claim, and unlimited claims across the ownership of the vehicle. And it will also come with premium roadside assistance Australia-wide, which will also cover up to 3.5 tonnes of anything you might be towing behind. Now, I've been around the condition of the car. The paintwork on this vehicle is basically immaculate, and even though it is a commercial, you'd still want to look after that. I highly recommend looking at Glass Coat Paint Sealer. Now, again, this is something that will give you a lifetime guarantee on your paintwork. Every painted panel of the car, including the roof, against things like UV oxidization, bird droppings eating through, causing cracking and peeling of the paintwork, bat droppings, tree sap, you name it, all those exterior contaminants, all covered, meaning repairs are free of charge to you. Now, there's no special requirements. You go through commercial grade car washes. The product is amazing, and I'd love to tell you a little bit more. Now, if you are looking to finance some or all of the purchase, Mario or Julie, they're our two business managers, would love to tailor a package that's going to suit your requirements, super competitive, and make sure the payments per week are going to work. And if you opt for the mechanical plan or the glass coat, it'll only bump your payment by just a tiny bit each week. Now, the last thing I'd like to request that you do before you make contact back again, jump onto Google, have a look at Berwick Mitsubishi and read some of our reviews. Customers Australia-wide, we've now got nearly 1,100 reviews up, 4.8 out of 5 stars. So if this video has given you the confidence that the car is right, then those reviews should give you the confidence that we are the right people to buy from as well. Myself being the used car manager and my whole team are proud of the fact that our reputation does precede us. Our number here is 9907 0555, and you might opt to do one of two things moving forward. Call now and make an appointment for you to come down and have your test drive, or call now and do what nearly 50% of our customers are doing. Leave a deposit subject to driving. We get the car prepared and ready for your collection, and you come down, one easy trip, look at the car, have your drive, you're happy with it, you drive it home on the same day, finance approved, everything is super smooth. Let us show you how easy we make that. Again, the number here, 9907 0555. Thanks again for watching, and we look forward to meeting you in person real soon.